Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we're going to talk about NBA 2K error code 923b16b7. As per the research, the error comes when users are playing online matches. It appears suddenly during gameplay and causes disconnection from the session. According to our research, the error may be related to game updates, outdated system software, or network configuration issues. Now let's talk about the troubleshooting steps you can try. The first thing we suggest is to restart your device and check if you need to update the game. If there is an update available, install it and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then check if your PS4 system software is up to date. If not, install the latest update and see if the error still comes. If the error still persists, then try using a static IP and open the required ports for that game. Once done, check if this helps with the error. If the error still continues, try connecting your console over a different Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot and check if this resolves the error. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.